How to become a data privacy expert like Anil Patil. Privacy Pro in 2026 by Privacy Prodigy. Welcome back to our favorite YouTube channel, Privacy Prodigy. Your home for mastering privacy, compliance, and future ready security skills. Today's episode: how to become a data privacy expert like Anil Patil, a true privacy pro in 2026. If you are planning a career in data privacy, this is the only roadmap you need. Segment 1: why data privacy is the golden career of 2026. In 2026, every company from banks to SaaS startups need a strong privacy talent. With regulations like DPDPA 2025, GDPR, AI governance, SOC 2, ISO 27701, and industry-specific compliance, privacy experts are now the most in-demand professional in the tech ecosystems. Data privacy is not just a job anymore. It is a leadership path, a consulting opportunity, and a global career. Segment 2: who is Anil Patil and why his journey matters? Meet Anil Patil, a fellow of privacy and technology at OneTrust from USA, global privacy educator, course creator, and the face behind Privacy Prodigy. He did not start with a legal background. He did not come from cybersecurity. He built his privacy career, by focusing on skills, certifications, hands-on tools, and consistent upskilling. Segment 3: step-by-step roadmap to become a privacy pro in 2026. Step 1: understand core privacy fundamentals 2026 edition. What is personal data? Purpose limitation, consent, data minimization, privacy by design, cross-border data transfers, AI plus privacy, the game changer for 2026. Step 2: master the must. No privacy regulations. Start with GDPR, DPDPA 2025, CPRA, ISO 27701, PCI DSS for BFSI. Step 3: learn the tools, privacy compliance software, that companies actually use. Tools you must learn. OneTrust, Privacy Pillars, Responsum from UK, Compliance Shield, Privacy Compliance Software, TrustArc, BigID, Security.ai, Vanta, Jira for Compliance Workflows, ServiceNow GRC. Step 4. Build hands-on privacy skills. Data mapping, DPIA, VIA, vendor risk management, data breach response, ROPA creation, cookie and consent management, AI governance workflows. This is where you actually become a privacy pro. 90% of people skip this and fail. Step 5. Certifications that actually matters in 2026. A beginner to advanced path. First, DPDPA 2025 Foundation. Second, CIPPE Europe. Third, CIPM. Fourth, ISO 27001 Lead Auditor. 5. OneTrust Certified Privacy Professional OTCPP from OneTrust USA. 6. Fellow of Privacy Technology, OneTrust USA. Step 6. Build your personal privacy brand like Anil Patil. In 2026, companies hire privacy experts with visibility, LinkedIn content, a newsletter, privacy essential insights, white papers, maybe InfoSec's white papers, a YouTube learning content, YouTube channel, Privacy Prodigy, case studies, Privacy Prodigy Academy, open source, privacy templates, GitHub, LinkedIn, YouTube, influencer, privacy compliance softwares or tools, workshop, webinar, bootcamp, seminar. Segment 4. How much can you earn as a privacy expert? In India, data privacy salaries in 2026 will explode thanks to DPDPA enforcement and A reference from Glassdoor, junior privacy analyst, 8 lakh to 12 lakh per annum. Privacy manager, 18 lakh to 30 lakh per annum. Privacy architect, 30 lakh to 50 lakh per annum. Global consultant, 50 lakh to 1 crore per annum. Segment 5, your 90-day plan to become a privacy pro. Day 1 to 30, learn the fundamentals, study DPDPA and GDPR basics. Day 31 to 60, learn tools, OneTrust plus privacy pillars. Practice DPIA, ROPA, data mapping. Day 61 to 90, take a certification from OneTrust USA. Build a LinkedIn profile, portfolio. Apply for roles, freelance projects. If you are serious about becoming a data privacy expert in 2026, start today. Learn the skills from Privacy Prodigy YouTube courses. Learn the tools from OneTrust USA and Privacy Pillars. And remember, experts are not born, they are built with consistency. This is Anil Patil from Privacy Prodigy. If you learned something today, hit like, subscribe and share and drop a comment. I am becoming a privacy pro in 2026.